Hi everyone. Okay, so my Felicity Jane came in today and I am so excited to open this. Okay, so this is what it looks like opened. Oh, it's got a cute little bow. And we have goodies. Yay! So let's completely take everything out and see what we get. That's the fun part, right? Making messes. Okay, so this is what we get. That's bus. Let me move this stuff out of the way. So this one is called Jill. So Jill, let me scooch in and see what we have here. It's white on white, so we're going to have a hard time seeing it. But this is like, this is white. This isn't vanilla. This is white. And it's letters, alphabet, and numbers. Yay! This is what we get for little. This is the stamp set. Oh, I know it's wrong too. I'm gonna take that off. Okay. So this is the stamp set. Let me scoot you in closer. You really are good enough, pretty enough, and strong enough. Oh, cute. Very nice. And this is Jill. How cute. I love their pouches. Their stamp pouches are really nice. They really are. They had them for sale one time with just the pouches, and I bought them, and I really wish I bought more of them. So let's see. These are acetates. Now acetate, people have a hard time using them. I don't, not anymore, because you use your sticker maker. You get a sticker maker and you just put them through the sticker maker and take them out, and you can lay them on anything and it doesn't show through. So let's see. That is what you get. It's easier to show you that way. But the sticker maker I'm talking about can be, let me show you. It's easier to show you. But one of these little things, and then all you do is you stick one through there. You can stick as many as you want through there, but, and then you just pull it out, and then it becomes a sticker. I have the bigger one also, so I would just do them all at once instead. I have no nails, so. And then, see, and then now it's a sticker. So, yep. Love it. So that's how you make the acetate into a usable item is by using the sticker maker. Okay, and so I don't have to take them out because I can just show you like this. This is the chipboard. I love these also. The chipboard bits and bobs is what it's called. Focus. Focus. There it goes. So, and then we have the, oh, that goes on top of the, that goes on here. See, that's what that's for. Okay. Then you have this part. These are the die cuts. Very cute. I love the labels. That's awesome. You have the designer vellum. Ooh. Everything's in its own package, and it has packages this time. So I don't have to take anything out. That's pretty. So you can do that with your sticker maker also, is use vellum. When you use your vellum, you can put it through the sticker maker and it won't show through either. So either or, it all works. So these are your 3x4 cards. They're single-sided. See, everything's a grid on the back, so they're singles. The colors are very nice. I wonder what their summer colors look like. Because so far I've gotten, I think, mainly a little bit of the bolds and neutrals. I don't think I've gotten brights yet. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they have for that. Okay, let's open this one. This is the 12 by 12 pack. Now remember, I use this stuff for the standard dory, which is 6 by 8, I believe. So I cut all of these down. So I cut all of them down. So then I get 2, and then these are double-sided. So you can have them double-sided. That's bus. Wow. Wow, look at that focus. That is a weird focus. Is it going to do it? What is going on today? What is going on? What is going on? There we go. Wow. My camera's doing, it must be on a different setting or something. I have to check that out, you guys. Sorry. Oh, very cute. Oh, look at the hearts. Oh, cute. And then the stars. Green stars. Gray water waves kind of thing. Wow, this is interesting. That looks like a 1970s sort of pattern. With the whole, like our mama's couches or something. Weird. But usable. I can totally use that. He's sniffing at the door. He's like, I want out. I'll let you out in a minute. So you usually get 2 solids, or base 4 solids. And 2 of them I know for sure have the stripes on the bottom. And that's what I cut out. I cut out the stripes. And then you have the pink one. This one. This one seemed like we got a little bit less in this kit. I don't know. It seems that way, I think. Yeah, because I think we usually get a little bit more than this, but I'm not sure. But I love it. I love all of it. So, love this month's too. Keep going with them. I love it. So, alright guys. And this was, I think, $43. Yeah, I paid $43 out the door, I think. Don't quote me on it, but I think so. I think it's $43 or $45 a month. So, alrighty guys. Take care. I will see you all next month. Alrighty. Bye.